add products from the database to the product listing. So these are the static products which are listed now, and we'll see how to add dynamic products from the database. So we have already created a file. If you see in IntelliJ IDE, so we have this file index.html. Okay, door close. Okay, door asuni. Open it door. So that product should come from the database table. So what we need to do is, firstly, we need to, okay, we'll see if we have sent the data to the products file to the data. So we are setting the products here, getting the products, all the products. Then we are setting it to the add attribute products, and we are returning products / index page. So the view already has the data. So now let's populate the table with the products from our database. Okay, so let's add these products. So I'm going to replace the code of this table to this. Okay, so you can see here. Okay. So you can see here that the products have been added to the table here, and what happens here is we are iterating to each product here. Okay, so from products to product, and then we are adding this product name, product description, product brand, then product category and product price to the table here. And then we have the product view. This is the view page that we would show. This is the edit page that we would show. Okay, and this is the delete button for the product. So we will be also able to delete the products. Okay, so let me save this and rerun this. So if I stop and rerun this, okay, I have rerun, and I'll see if it has been executed. The server is started on 8080. So if I refresh this page now, so I should be able to see the products. Okay, these are all my products which are in the database, and we have view, edit and delete button. So now if I go to edit, it won't work as we have not created the edit page for the product. So we need to create an edit page for the product. So we have product listing. Okay, so before creating an edit page, let's create a page for adding a product. So let's add a button to add a product. So I'll just create a primary button here. Okay, let's create new product. So let's add HTML code here to create a new product. So just next to product listing, we will add this, and we'll say create a new product. Okay, now rerun this application. So we'll see if the application has restarted. Taking some time to restart. Okay, it restarted the server. Now we'll have a create product. Okay, welcome back. Now we will create the ProductDto model class, which would be, okay, so in the models, let's create first a new product.dto class. Okay, so this class will create to handle validations and input data, sending this data to the views. So we'll create this class. So this class will be useful to us. So ProductDto class. Okay, so we created this class. So what we'll do is now we'll import the validation. So validations dot star, we can use star here. So it includes all the packages under this class. Now what we'll do is so it will handle the validations and so on. Okay, now we'll add this database fields which we have. So first will be the name. So constraint. Okay, so constraints. Okay, we are using validation constraints. So what I'll do is I'll only include validation constraints like this. So if I say constraints dot star, then it would include all the packages there. So I'm using star here. So let it use all the packages under this. Then will come the brand name. So we'll import the brand name. Okay. Next will be the category name. So next what we would do, we have name, brand and category. So we will generate getters and setters for this ProductDto file. So to generate, go to right click on your class and generate. So you will have getters and setters here. Okay, I'll be including all these fields and I will say OK. So this would generate me getters and setters for this class, ProductDto class. Okay, let's save this. Okay, now we'll also include more 3 fields. That will be these fields. So double price and string description. Okay, so also generate getters and setters for this. So if you again go here and generate getters and setters, so you can see these 2 fields which will come now. So let's create for this. Okay, so the getters and setters would be created for this as well. So this is how you generate fields and create getters and setters for the file. So even if you want to add a new field later on, you can add it and just right click, so it will give you the fields which does not have getters and setters. So you can generate it back again. Okay, let's save this file. Okay, and then now we have this DTO class. So let's include this class in the products controller. Okay, so we have a model product, and again we'll have another model called as ProductDto. Okay, now we'll create another routing file to create. That would be create. Okay, now what create would do is it would go have this route, and this function would be called show create product. Okay, show create product. Then we are getting the ProductDto file. Okay, the model class, and then we are setting an attribute as ProductDto and ProductDto, and we have to create a create product page, HTML page in a view. So now copy this name and go ahead and under templates products, just create a new file called as create product. No, I'll just delete this file because it's an HTML file. Okay, so let's create it under templates products, create a file, create a HTML file. Okay, so this will be create product file. Okay, you can see this. So let's print something h1, and this will be create product page. This will be create product page. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, and let's rerun this code. So go to your main store application and then run it. So this would run now, and if we let's see if the port 8080 comes. Okay, we are live. The server is on, and if I say refresh this page here and go to create, so you'll get a create page here. So this we will create a new form now here to create a new product. So in the next video, we'll create a new product and save it to the database.